This is a screencast on how to get one of the NetBurner factory demos to build. We're going to do the 5270. So start with File and say New C++ project. Let's call it a NetBurner device executable. Call it the factory demo 5270. Say Next. Say Next. You can search NetBurner, say OK. Next. We're not going to do any of this because we're going to import everything, so just say Finish. Okay, so here you can see is our new project, and it's got some includes, and that's all. So now let's go File, Import, select the file system, say Next. We're going to go to the NetBurner directory. You don't have to type this in, it just gets you there a little quicker. And then from here, open the NetBurner folder, go to Examples, go to your Mod 5270 folder. There's the factory demo, say OK. Click here, you can open up, see there's a couple of nested folders coming in. You don't want the make file, you don't want the dev file, everything else you want the C++ files, the include files, and it automatically, since I started out by clicking on this folder over here, it automatically put that name in here. And then you say Finish, everything comes in, and now you ought to be able to come up and build it. And we got an error. It would seem our default include didn't point to the sim5270.h, so let's go fix that. Right click here, go to Properties. There's a couple ways to get to this. Paths and symbols for C++, say Add, and say File System. I'd use my trick again here, C:/nburn/include file system, and okay, under NBurn you want the mod 5270, and then it's in this include folder right there. Say OK, say OK, and you can see now that path's on here. And say OK. Let's build again. Okay, so now it built, and now we have a release folder, and in this release folder is going to be our app S19. So now you can use mtty. Let's boot mtty. And I'm doing this example for somebody who's currently doesn't have auto update, so they can't load over the serial port. You know what? I'm going to connect to it first. Boot it, hit Shift A, change the font so I can read it, and then I'm going to type FLA, go transfer, send file, and I'm going to make sure I've actually got a couple of factory demos. I want to make sure I'm in the right one here. There's the new one, factory default, release, pick the app file, say open, and then wait for this to download. Take a shortcut here. Okay, it finished, it's going to boot, and now it's there and it's running, and you can just ignore whatever's going on. Now when you come back and you've got the factory demo in, you can take anything else, and now you can use your the Ethernet to download. So let's go make a new run configuration. So you start a new configuration here, and it automatically picked everything for us. So good. Let me move the window up a little bit, and now we click Run, and so now it's working over TCP/IP. So now when you create a new project in the future, C++ project, device executable, give it a name, click Next again, click Next. You have to make sure you click this so that you can in the future use TCP to do an update to that board. If you can do it manually too, but if you're new to this, this is the simplest way to see what include you need and what call you need to make the NetBurner do auto updates, and that should do it.